Oh. He's all, I'm gonna lay down because this feels good. Say, look, Dad, I've got a pig.
Look, Dad, I'm rubbing a pig, and its name is Dozer.
Dozer the piggy. Dozer the piggy.
I'm rubbing his belly.
Hi, Dozer. Oh. Oh, he's so cute. Dozer. This is Dozer, and he's very friendly.